Don't be fooled, this isn't your average pressure cooker. It's sturdy, solid, and cooks enough food for everyone in the entire family. 8 quarts in a stainless steel facade. Equipped with 9 safety mechanisms. Capable of creating healthy and hearty meals in minutes. Because it's not just a slow cooker, not just a rice cooker, definitely not just a pot. It's a multifunctional COSORI pressure cooker. It'll take just about anything you throw at it, and its intuitive controls make it easy to use, yet precise in its cooking prowess, down to the T. Even if cooking isn't your thing, manually customize your pressure cooking settings, or just tell the COSORI pressure cooker what you're cooking. And confidently press start. Or if you know what you're doing, go chef. Easy, simple, fast, and safe. Available in both 6 and 8 quart sizes. Live life tastefully with COSORI.
Here's my finished yogurt. Oh shit. Oh shit. I made yogurt, Crystal. I made yogurt.
Wait, what was he?
Yes.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.